It seemed very similar to when a flash bulb goes off in your eyes and you're just stunned. And I thought to myself, that's not right. I could be the luckiest person in the world. The first ambulance that came was New York Presbyterian. So I remember when I woke up and I realized, okay, well, I am alive. I'm still the same, I sound the same, I still have I feel the same personality. I don't pronounce some words correctly. I just feel like you just stop and you look at the small things. I've seen that same cherry blossom tree in Central Park many times over, but now you stop and you really see it. Everybody at the hospital, Dr. Stieg, his staff, the cute residents, and life is good. And they made it even longer and better for me.